Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace the radio in a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and setting it aside. Remove dash trim using a trim removal tool, then unbolt the radio with a 1/4-inch socket. Label connectors and fasteners so reassembly is simple. Keep parts organized and take photos if needed. This saves time and prevents mistakes during installation. Begin by gently prying the dash trim to reveal the radio mounting screws and retaining clips. Use a trim tool to avoid damaging plastic surfaces and remove fasteners with the correct socket. Support the radio as you disconnect the antenna and wiring harness to prevent strain on connectors. If connectors are tight, wiggle gently while pulling straight out. Place the old unit aside and compare plugs to the new harness before proceeding. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support more DIY content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and smart mapping, perfect for keeping your workspace tidy between installs. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Connect the new harness and test the radio on the bench to confirm power, speakers, and antenna reception. Once tested, mount the new unit using the factory screws and reconnect the antenna and ground wire. Reinstall dash trim carefully to maintain factory fit and avoid cracking clips. Power up with the battery reconnected and verify all functions, including steering wheel controls and clock. Make small adjustments until everything fits and works smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.